because where I'm living, actually that one is very theist persons live there, and I always try to include myself in that kinds of environment where I will be told, I will be given very good positive advice. So that kinds of person live there. So I always. Hi, good morning friend. And yesterday I showed you my working place. You might be thinking that that person does work in a very different kinds of work he does, but what I feel that I don't have much degrees for require work in any sector, government sector as well, any private sector, but I have other skill as well. But what I feel that this whatever skills I'm having, so those are skills I'm planning to do something more better in my life. But right now whatever I am doing, I am sufficient, and as well it is sufficient for me. I am happy for that, because where I am living, actually that one is very theist persons live there, and I always try to include myself in that kinds of environment where I will be told, I will be given very good positive advice. So that kinds person live there. So I always I feel myself that I am very grateful to be here in this place, because when I used to work in different place, same work I was doing, but there I was not getting that kinds of environment, that kinds of good positive advice. I was not given any kinds of advice, positive advice. Then I thought that it would be better if I try to move myself into other environment. Then I migrated in different place. So there I can say that I have my elder brother. He comes from my native place, so he does work in same place, this same work he is having. So what happened, he always we used to talk daily basis, would tell me that Sibu, like there is a place where is that place is very theist person place as well, very good environment. If you go there, if you work there, you can change yourself, you can change into yourself in different level. And really that time also I was called as well, told, made understand as well, lot of things I had been given that time. So I am very thankful to my brother. I wanna say to my friend, I wanna say to my where I am living, they're all fathers, that as well students. So usually whenever when I started working here, joined here, since then to till now, I had been given lot of ideas, lot of benefits as well, how to change life by being talked with the students as well, fathers, having observed their environment. I got it unique and great things how to implement in my life, in my journey, what I am doing right now. So that's why, like always I try to prepare. I would love to live that kinds of place where I get good environment, good people, positive people. So I always try to live these kinds of environment. And as well, you might be thinking that that Sibu, he is always try to do work in same place, he doesn't want to go anywhere. But it's not like that. It's like that. You are, whatever you are thinking, it is correct, because I know that here why I am here and why I am here doing work, because as I told you previous time that which kinds of work I am doing as well, why I am doing here, because I'm not only working in Council, but also I'm studying myself. I'm keep updating myself day by day, and that's why today you are getting lot of changes on my face as well, on my speaking. But yeah, so that's why you should also do like that, where you will get it benefit, good people. Just try to live, just try to include, just try to indulge yourself in that kinds of environment. Then only you can change. You will be able to think. You would change the way of thinking, how to live life, how to do in any situation. Okay, so that's why. As well, you might be thinking, you must be thinking about me that he does work in Cowseed. It's right. I always try to. I was trying to tell you. I always try to I was trying to give you information that what I am doing. But I always time I mentioned in my videos that I do work in dairy farm. Today I'm gonna show you. But always time I was doing procrastination. But finally I decided that no, it means whatever I'm doing, if I love my work, if I love my whatever I'm doing, if I comfortable to do this work, it means no need to feel shy. As well, I discussed with students that I'm a YouTuber. As well, I'm keep uploading my videos, keep making videos, keep talking to co-learner as well, great speakers. So that time, whenever I'm being asked, so that time I'm keep telling these things. Is it good for my videos, for my life or not? As well, I was made to understand that no need to worry, Shibu. It is great thing that you don't want to hide, you don't want to keep separately what you are doing, what you are having, how you are surviving. It would be better if you try to reveal whatever you are doing as well, having in present time. So that's why I thought that it would be better if I try to show you my working place. So that's why yesterday I made videos as well. I uploaded on my channel. I hope you got it everything about me. I think now after listening, having watched this video, you will not think about anything me. Okay. So okay, it was my it was my introduction, how I started as well, why I'm doing work here. So right now I'm going to my working place. So before going forward to my room, I would like to show you where I live, what I'm doing, as well which kinds of game usually I would love to play. Yeah, I love to play. Those are games. Today I'm going to show you that place. Day for yesterday previous videos, I had showed you one of my hobbies, that I am very fond of playing shuttle. So that time you got it, that how Shibu spent, which kinds of games he is having. He loves to play. Okay. And right now this is the way, you can say this is from that side I was making video. Back side, maybe there you might be getting that, you will be able to see that place where is darkness. So through that way I go and I play with that game over there. Okay, don't worry, you can see my cows. They are right now staring me, looking me. So no need to worry, I'll come back. Right now I have completed morning time. I gave you whatever you wanted, food, grass, or watching as well, whatever you wanted I gave you morning time. And now let me go my room as well, let me take my breakfast. I'll come back after two hours. Okay, till now, bye bye, keep carefully, keep fine. Okay, so like that. And sometimes what I feel that it is what I'm doing, is it correct or not, but I feel that always time I made my understand that it is right. While working time, if I start working on my communication skills, maybe in my future if I get chance to teach to students as well, get chance to teach to my entire village or where I usually live in village, so that definitely I will feel comfortable myself to stand in front of a student, in front of people where I don't know actually, but I'm telling about my future. But that time if I will be given any kinds of chance to give a speech in front of people, how they can learn as well, how they can be confidence, great speakers in this language, so I will be able to give them. Okay, so in that case I can give to them at that time. So that's why I always try to keep updating. You can also do like that. You shouldn't waste your time. Whatever time you are having, just try to include yourself, just try to implement yourself in that environment. whatever you are doing, always time, if you think very deeply, so definitely you will get it a lot of information. So okay, whatever I told you, I think now I'm going towards my room. Usually rarely I come this way, but I go from this way, but usually I go that one main door, front door, yeah, front gate, that one through I go. So right now I'm going to show you usually where I am living, and I'm very grateful that I'm here. I'm having good people as well, getting chance to get good ideas, good environment, spend good time with them, and yeah, and you can see it is the ashram where usually I live. Okay, see here I'm going to show you so how I prepared myself, how I am keep updating myself. And what I was telling at the beginning time, it was, you might be thinking that it was not correct, Shibu is lying to us, whatever he is doing, it was incorrect, whatever he used to be told, it was incorrect. But I am going to show you now that here what is written here. See, everyone thinks of change the world, but no one thinks of change himself. Okay, what you got it? Just try to think better, in better way. Then only you can understand. Okay. So why you are planning to change the world? It would be better if you try to focus as much as possible on your skills in your life. Okay, so see, usually I live here. It is a ground, you can say garden. Earlier I used to make video here, but what happened at that time, one of my best friend, we were making videos together, but when he left from here, so usually he didn't leave, but sometimes he visited maybe 2 years, maybe 1 year ago that time. So yeah, and it is ashram. Usually here students live, and student working study purpose. But I'm not a student, just as a worker I'm living here. I'm doing work here since long period of times. Maybe I have started working here. I don't have exact year when I started, but as I am able to recognize that when I started working here, I think it was the year of 2016 that time. But you might be thinking, you are thinking right now after listening what I told you right now, that I started living here 2016. So you must be thinking that Shibu, since then he started learning this language, but not like that. At that time, just I was wasting, as you are wasting time these days, watching reels, by watching cartoons as well, different kinds of videos. But I was also like that. Always time I was wasting time. I was not understanding that what I am doing actually. But day by day passed, maybe 3 years, 4 years I completed. It's been I think 4 years to me living here, wasting time. So I was not understanding that time, because totally my mind was different. I was thinking different, that what I will do after learning this language, it will be beneficial for me, it will be important in my life or not, as well it will relevance in my journey or not. But after visiting many places, hung out with friend, market sometimes, village sometimes, different places, then I always time I used to be asked, I had been asked that in their native language as well, English language. So in that case I was unable to speak. I couldn't speak any single single sentences in English language as well their native language, but I was compatible with my native language as well my Hindi language. So usually whenever I got chance to have session or interact with people, so that time I was feeling underconfidence. It means that always time I'm asked, and whenever I reveal that it's been 6 years to me living in this environment, in this state, but finally I decided after communicated with those kinds of people, were interacted with those kinds of people. So finally I decided that I will have to keep update, I will have to put myself into different level. Then I started learning this language, but not like that when I started at that time, beginning time, I started speaking very fluently. Not like that. Day by day, just I was keep watching many kinds of videos as well, many kinds of good podcast as well, native speakers. I don't want to tell you that you should do whatever I'm telling and you must do whatever I'm telling. If you feel that what I told you as well, what I'm going to tell you now, it is correct, then only I want you to follow, I want you to implement in your journey, I want you to indulge in your journey. Then only you will get it as well. You can see yourself as well, you're gonna be in different level. Okay. And what happened then when I started, so that time actually I was not understanding that which techniques as well strategies require for learning this language. But when as I told you that I started living here, so after I was very shy, I was unable to communicate with students as well fathers. Okay, so after having talked with after talking to a lot of students as well, as I told you that I was asked several times but I was unable to give answer, and I was not understanding that from where I should start for achieving this language. So then just I started keep watching many kinds of videos as well, listen to great speakers. So as well I would talk to students as well fathers that could you please give on me how can I get myself in different level after achieving this language. So I had been told as well made to understand that first just try to watch that kinds of videos where you just try to understand what is your level, and according to your level just try to watch that kinds of videos as well, just try to read book. And since then I started reading book as well, watching many kinds of videos as well, talking to people, and I was speaking very broken English that time. I as well I was